is day 10, build day for us, and yesterday you guys saw that we had to stop in the middle of the build day and run to town. Yes, running to town is an all-day event. So today our mission is to finish the kitchen cabinets, which Isaac already started on one drawer, and once he gets done with that drawer, he's going to start on these drawers here. And underneath there is a space that we weren't quite sure what we were going to do with, so I decided that I am going to build a little cubby door for it, which means I gotta hopefully find some hinges that are just lying around here somewhere so that I can get that done while Isaac starts on these drawers. And also, one of you commented on my last video about the door underneath the sink. So it is flush face, and it can, I guess, if you were to fall into it or kick it, like it can go in a little bit, and someone suggested putting like a stop in the back of it so that like if you're using the sink you won't kick it and kind of ruin the hinges either in that moment or over time. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a little stop for that as well. And once all the drawers are done and that is done, and this little cubby down here, we'll put the refrigerator back and we will be mounting the countertop as well as mounting the burner and the kitchen sink. So that is where we're at. That is today's mission. So let's get started. So after much searching, I did find some hinges. I was looking for like really small ones, but I did find these, which I could just use one and it'd be fine. So the idea is to have basically the same size as this, which is this same size. Imagine this being sideways. It'll be on the inside, and then so you'll be able to basically open and close it like that. But it'll be upright, so you can close it up and down. Anyways, you guys will get it. You'll see what I mean if you don't. So that piece that I was using to kind of gather an idea was this, and I think Isaac made it for this. I don't know why he made an extra piece, but he said he doesn't need it. So I'm actually going to use this instead of making a new piece. So, yay me. That being said, I think I changed my mind. To make this a little bit easier, I'm actually going to lay this flat here, tack it in, and then, but before I actually lay it down, I'm going to get the wood that's going to be here. I'm gonna get this piece here, measure that out, lay it flat, and then get it where I want it, hook all of this up, and then I'll attach this once everything is set in stone. So here's the lock thing that Isaac has, and it basically just pulls apart, and then you click it back in there, which essentially is easier to do when it's connected. But that's that. So basically, I was looking at it, and to have it here, and then obviously it would be this way. So I was looking and thinking how I can do this. And so what I'm gonna do, because you have to account for this going inside and everything, is I'm gonna take this, our scrap piece, I'm actually gonna connect it just like that, and then I'll set it in here like this and go from underneath and attach this first, and then I'll attach this here. Oh, so hard. Getting close. Isaac just put this in and he's working on the second one right now. Oh, now that that is done, Isaac's finishing up this drawer section. I'm gonna go ahead and put a stopper on the back of this, for the back of this door, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get all of the straps ready and start installing the straps. And once that's done, Isaac should be done with his drawers, and then we'll start on the top and the countertop and installing the burner and the sink, and we will be completely done with the kitchen area today. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of extra screws here, and basically what I'm gonna do is put this block on the inside here, just enough to where it lifts it so that when you close the door, it doesn't go in. But basically I gotta find a screw long enough that'll go through here and not all the way through this piece. And then I'm just gonna screw it in from the back. Easy peasy. And there she is. Super easy. So that way if you're working and you accidentally kick it or something at the bottom when you're washing dishes or whatever, it won't go all the way through. All right, now it's time to start on the leather handle straps. So 2 inches. Oh, it's pretty close there.
put some weight right there.
Right here or over there?
Is that little angle tip up in here?
Yes, it's actually right next to you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We did it! We finally finished the kitchen area. So obviously it's only done as far as carpentry goes. There's obviously other things that need to be done, like the plumbing and electrical, but all of that's gonna be done later. As far as the actual construction of it itself, it's done. We got the what's it called? What's this called?
The sink?
Yeah, when it sinks in.
Oh, flush mount?
That's not the word I'm looking for.
I don't know.
But we got the sink in that is like level, it's flush with the countertop, as well as the burners, which I absolutely love. And then, you know, we got all the doors and the drawers that you guys saw. And then we put the fridge back. I think it looks absolutely amazing. And then with the black accents with such a light base, I think it looks super, super good. And I'm really, really excited to continue on with this build and start on the second half. This is build day 10. 30 days, day 14. So we are about halfway through, and I would say we're about halfway through with the build itself. So you could say that we're right on track. That being said, that's the end of today's video, and I hope that you guys are as excited about this as I am. Isaac's trying to talk me into getting pizza to celebrate. I'll let you know next time if I give in to that, which I really want pizza right now, so I just might. But as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with us, and feel free to let us know what you guys think about the change in plans and having everything flush. I absolutely love it. This is the direction I'm going to take in my build as far as how everything is being built and everything is flush. And so if you guys want to stick around for the rest of this build, and then I'll move into building out my bus, Peach, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys not tomorrow, but the next day. I'll see you guys Monday. I go live at 5 or 6. We'll see. We'll see where the day takes us. If we work ourselves to death, it'll probably be 6 o'clock. So I'll probably see you then.